Hey everyone, welcome back. Can't log back into the Trump Accounts app after you've already created your account? Getting an incorrect password error or stuck in a login loop? Here's exactly what to do. First, double check that you've entered the exact email that you've used when you first signed up. Since the app is case sensitive and many people try a secondary email by mistake. If you're sure that the email is right, tap Forgot Password on the login screen and then the app will send a password reset link to your email. Open your email app, click on the three-line option in the top left corner and check your spam folder or your trash folder if it does not arrive within a minute. If you keep getting kicked back to the login screen after re-entering the correct password, force close the app from your recent apps by swiping it up, swiping it away completely from your phone, then reopen it after waiting a few hours. Next, once you do that, go to your settings app, then go to general, go to iPhone storage, scroll down and find Trump Accounts app in the list of apps and then offload the app. After offloading it, go to the App Store, search for the Trump Accounts official app and then reinstall it fresh from the App Store. If you're still stuck, try logging in through the trumpaccount.com in Safari instead of the app. Silence the app and the website. Since this app and the website use the same account, this confirms whether the problem is the app itself or something with your account. So all you've got to do is double check your email, use forgot password to reset, reinstall if loops, and try trumpaccount.com if still stuck. Login will be fixed and that's it. Subscribe.